okay now. Don't spoil my dance for me. Enjoy. It's okay. I say it's okay. You are stealing the place already, and I'm leaving. So this is my dance. It's my right. It's my right.
In its continuous efforts to protect consumers and enforce compliance with safety standards, the Lagos State Consumer Protection Agency has shut Blessed Happy Home Superstore following the discovery of expired products on the store's shelves.
We are selling a consumable product. Okay. All right. So as the product is moving, they are replacing, they are retrieving the ones that is old. They are bringing new one. There is no expired product. Yes, I am. We are management of this place. We are the controller of this place. That is the letter I have here. And the letter is saying monitoring. We should become a stop product. Out of your share. I am not aware of that. Look at how dangerous they are.
Man.
Even expired perfume.
Oh my God.
Expired creams. Expired Vaseline. A lot of things. They are very heartless here.
Lascopa says these expired products pose potential health risk to unsuspecting customers, which prompted swift action to seal the premises.
On the 22nd of November 2024, the Monitoring and Enforcement Department of the Lagos State Consumer Protection Agency, in the course of its monitoring responsibilities, was at the Festac area, and in the course of doing the monitoring, they entered a supermarket called Happy Home Superstores around Festac, and in the course of monitoring, a lot of expired products were found. And it's very unfortunate that we still persist in this part of the world to be doing this, because considering the numbers of products that are found, even baby food that have expired since 2023 were found in their displayed for sale, and other consumables. And it's very unfortunate that.
Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. We are back again on a new video reaction. I just want to bring to you this news, very important, because one may say that this is heartless. Why must you go and sell people Igbo man shop and all that? Yes, but the truth of the matter is that I am not here to promote or support anybody selling fake product or expired product. Is very, because the rate of cancer and kidney failure and liver problem and heart problem these days is too high. It's way too high because of something like this, all this canned food and all that. But where I have problem with the government of Lagos State and people who are doing their job is that they have a way of doing that thing. They're not doing it on everyone. You understand? That's the only problem. But whether what they have done is good, to me is a good thing, to make sure that you check on product. So people will not be eating poison in the name of buying food. That is very wrong. So I have seen some people reacting on this video, and I just choose to listen to that to know what is going on. But after playing the video and listen to what they said, it is very clear that what they're doing, yes, it may be one, we may say, yeah, it's a kind of wickedness and all that. You say the shop and this had the economy and all that, but you that is selling consumable items and you know that it has expired and you keep on selling that, is it good? It's not good, right? Now, like I said, had it been that they are doing this in checking every product and going from shop to shop without minding this, selecting one region or one particular people that are going to check their shop and their items, then I would have said that is a good job. But this one that are doing it only for one people, and that's a kind of, that's where it's a no-no for me. Because Festac they're talking about is a place dominated by Igbo people. If you know Lagos, you know what I'm talking about. Festac is dominated mainly by Igbos. In fact, you may say that it's owned by Igbos. When you say own, Yoruba people don't like to hear that. Anyway, don't mind me. What I'm trying to say is that it is always good for you to, live a decent life. Do not use your business to, you know take people's life because you want to make money. It's not good. So Lagos authority, government authority, or whatever they call themselves, should also extend this as such in, to every other places in Lagos, not only on Igbo areas. So that's my own concern. And as an Igbo man, you don't have any say whether you like it or not. You don't have any say. This one may look like they are doing their job, but the truth of the matter is that the back of their mind, they have, another agenda, which one may not people may not like to hear that, but it's true. Now I want you to watch this part so that you understand why I say so. Just pay attention. Where is this guy? Now let's watch this place. Now you see this guy walking here on black hair clothes. You just he you see how he ignored them and passed. Okay, then he made a comment that half of your share are being, or expired products. Now listen to that, because I want you to hear what he said after that.
We saw money thing. We should become a country. We saw expired product. Half of your share. I am not
Did you hear half of your share are expired product? That's what he said now. Now listen.
aware of that. I am not aware of that. Look at how
Now he is here explaining to the cameraman, their own camera, that every product here is expired, even perfume and all that. Now listen.
dangerous they are.
Say how dangerous they are. Then you see how he spread his wing, his hand, as this is this is what you see, when you are in a foreign land. This is what you see in a foreign land, because I don't see the need of you tagging that even saying that every product here is expired is not true. That half of the share is expired product. There's no way that would be true. But and you anyway, let me not say, because I want you to hear what the other guy said. I will drag it, because I don't want the video to be too long. Now listen to this. Okay, he's the one selling the, as you can see him here. He is the one selling the shop,
which prompted swift action to seal the premises.
hey, look at him. The same guy. Now here this one seems to be their boss. Hear what he have to say.
On of November 2024, the Monitoring and Enforcement Department of the Lagos State Consumer Protection Agency, in the course of its monitoring responsibilities, was at the Festac area, and
I told you Festac area is a place that Igbo people mainly, we may say 80 or 70% of people live there are Igbos.
in the course of doing their monitoring, they entered the supermarket called Happy Home Superstores around Festac. And in the course of monitoring, a lot of expired products were found. And it's very unfortunate that we still persist in this part of the world to be doing this, because considering the numbers of products that are found, even baby food that have expired.
Now this is baby food this is baby food that he's talking about. I want us to pay attention to the baby food itself. Okay, you can see the expiring date, right? This one expired on 30th of January, February, March, April. This April this year, 2024. They are still selling it. They are still allow that kind of product on their shelf, which is, I have told you, is a very, very wrong thing. Baby food, selling baby food that has expired. Okay, back in April is very, very wrong. 30th of April, this product has already expired as of April this year, 2024. Then the man said, let me not say, so I want to hear from him. Now pay attention to the day that this man quotes that this product has expired. Listen. Because what I'm trying to tell you is that the truth is that these shops sells expired product, but they exaggerate it to make it look like it's so bad. That's why this guy spread his hands, spread his wing, and said half of your share has expired product, which is a lie as well. This I'm not here to validate the people that these people don't know of the shop that are selling fake product. I'm just trying to tell you that for him to be an Igbo person is a very huge crime. You may not see it that way, but that's what it is. Otherwise, tell me why the man himself here will not tell you that this product that you are seeing on screen now expired this year. Listen.
Expired since 2023.
So that the product has expired since 2023. Listen to him again.
Products that are found, even baby food that have expired since.
Now,
we still persist in this part of the world to be doing this, because considering the numbers of products that are found, even baby food that have expired since 2023.
So this baby food that he's talking about, which I have shown to you now, the man said that it's expired since 2023. So that is why I said he just said, look at it since 2023. But the truth of the matter is that the baby food expired on April 2024, which is this year, although this is last month of the year, you understand. So it has expired, but they will make it look like it is so deadly ahead. And when you check people that love to tag Igbo people for selling fake product and fake this one, expired this, expired that, you hear that from people like Reno Mockery, people that are not even full-blooded Yorubas, but people who want to answer Yoruba to mock Igbo people. And that kind of thing. Hatred is hatred. So anyway, you understand what I'm saying. But my advice to Igbo people doing business outside Igbo land is use your tongue and count your teeth. Come back and start your business in our land. Come back. That's the best way. Anyway, it's your choice. Thank you so much, my people, and make sure you share this video. Very, very important. God bless you. Tell me what to think about what we discussed so far, and see you again. Bye bye for now.